everybody, how's it going? So what is this? This is a Revv G20. This is the baby version of the Generator 120. If you guys want to know what it sounds like, check this out. That's from the full demo I did a couple months ago. I really love this amp because it's a full tube amp, it plays like a tube amp, it responds like a tube amp, but it's also got a back end from 2 notes so you can load up cabinet IRs and use it as a silent recording system. It's freaking awesome, and it goes for a whopping $12.99 US. In other words, it ain't cheap. The thing is though, I've been doing this YouTube stuff for a couple years now, and you guys have been really amazing to me. So what I want to do is, because everybody's in lockdown mode at the moment, I want to give one of you guys this thing right here. Now, this whole campaign is called Make Music at Home. I'm doing it in partnership with Revv Amplification, and they were kind enough to provide the amp. All you gotta do is make a video of you playing guitar and give it everything you've got. You don't have to be a master recording engineer. You don't have to be a video whiz. A cell phone video will do. Just make something awesome, play your ass off, put it up on YouTube, and hashtag it Make Music at Home. Now, to register for this contest, all you gotta do is follow the link in the description below, and that will take you to the Revv site, and it'll give you all the relevant details that you need. And it will also get you registered to win this thing. Now, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, this contest to win this thing is open to everyone. We will ship it anywhere in the world to whoever wins this. Now, that's the truly amazing thing about doing this show, is it's not just a North American audience. We've got viewers from everywhere. We've got people from South America, Asia, Europe, Africa, and not to mention a huge contingent in Australia. You guys rule. So to all the bass players out there who may have missed all the details, let's do a quick recap. Revv G20, value $12.99. Make a video of you playing guitar. Put it on YouTube. Hashtag it. Make Music at Home. Sign up by following the link in the description below, and one of you guys is going to win this thing. Now, if you guys want to keep up to date on what's going to go on with this contest, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll get the notifications when I do a follow-up video. Contest ends 30 days from today. You want to win this thing? Get busy.